Low-cost technologies are expected to be easy to build, have little or no energy consumption, and be easy to maintain and operate. The use of sustainable technologies is essential in order to move toward greater global coverage of technology and therefore to improve human quality of life. Low-cost products always respond to a specific need, even if no in-depth analysis of the situation or possible solutions have been carried out. It is a consensus in all industrialized countries that patents have a decisive influence on the organization of the economy, as they are a key element in promoting technological innovation. Patents may aim to provoke the technological development of countries, starting from their industrial situation. Innovation is making an idea or invention for goods or services that create enough value for customers to want to buy, creating unique products and services and getting them to market before competitors can benefit a company, often being critical to its reputation and continued success. Understanding the process of product innovation and reasons to use it can help you develop professional capabilities valuable in any industry. Product innovation is the development and launch of a new product or service that directly affects the market it sells in. It can also develop improved versions of existing products in a market, enhancing the functionality or desire for an item by taking consumer feedback to make improvements or discovering additional features and technology to add. Most often, product innovation is achieving an improvement on existing products, though creating a true innovation also happens. The importance of electricity to our everyday lives cannot be overstated. From smartphones to water heaters, from electric cars to the frozen food aisles at the grocery store, electric power and electronic devices undergird every facet of our civilization. For this reason, the role of an electrical engineer in society is significant. But what does an electrical engineer actually do? How much can you earn? And how can you get involved in this fascinating career? Another contributor to this increase in electrical engineering jobs is the expanding green economy. Electrical engineers provide some of the knowledge, skills, and technologies needed to make the planet a more sustainable, healthier place to live. For example, electrical engineers work on energy efficiency, renewable energy, and green building design and construction. Another huge area where electrical engineers can have an impact in bringing power to the developing world, where 1.2 billion people live without electricity. Electrical engineers are also working on a new type of solar-powered, smart nanogrids and smart meters that can generate affordable energy of the electrical grid and to the farthest reaches of civilization. Thanks for watching. Until next time.